in the farm, and I'll show you in village in Kenya what we do. So we are going to uproot this arrowroot, this one. So come with me. So you can see here we have already done a lot this side, and this is what I've been doing, this one. So I'll show you how we do it. Come.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run.
This is a very muddy place, so everything will be messy, of course, because there is a stream down here. That's why it's very wet. So you need to soften the soil first, so it will be easy to uproot the plant. And it is achieved by concentrating on the sides, just like so. Then when it is ready, or when it is like loose enough, then you can shake it all sides and then pull. So this is how we do it. Also, you have to be mindful of the fact that it can break, or should I say damage, or cut by that sharp object I'm using. So you have to be gentle but strong at the same time. And pull the arrowroot like so. So what I'm going to do now is to remove the excess mud. You can see it is very muddy. And also cut this small root before cutting the arrowroot. So I'm trying now to remove excess mud and this small root, then we cut. So if it's like that, we do it like this. So you're going to cut here. So this one. So you need to cut very well so you don't like damage the plant, because you're going to plant again for the next season. This plant has a very high quality edible gluten-free starch rich in antioxidant vitamins like B6, B5, B1, rich in fiber, iron, calcium. It boosts immunity and as well used for medicinal purposes and so on. You can grind it and use as powder, or should I say flour, in soups, or boil it or deep fry as it is. Now when we are done with that, we need to prepare the plant for replanting. Usually the leaves are cut and planted without any leaves. I guess it is to minimize water loss through transpiration, and this plant gives new leaves in very few days.
Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it. Come on. Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it.
So this one we are going to plant again for the next season. Okay. There. Then this one. This. We put here. Put here. So it is like this. Now come we put this one here. Like so. Now we are done, guys, with arrowroot. We are going now to like uproot cassavas. I'll show you. So we are going to carry this.
Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it. Come on. Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it.
go for cassava. All those are cassavas there. They are cassavas that side. This one, this side, but we are going to uproot this one. So what I'm going to do is I have to like soften the soil, then I'll uproot to avoid like cutting the cassava. So you see this one?
Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it. Come on. Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it.
So this is the cassava now. This one. Now we are going to plant this one. So this is what we are going to plant back. Okay. So this one we are going to put like so, like that, and then like that. So now we are done, guys. Let's go. We are finished cassavas. So this is what we have done. Now the next thing is sweet potatoes, like this one over there. So let's go. So guys, I want to show you beans in the farm. Let me show you. Okay, so these are beans. You can see like this one. And all these beans this side, also this side. Yeah, so what we normally do is we wait for these beans to dry, then we come and uproot and like remove in the pods. And sometimes you can eat when they are like that. Yeah, so yeah, like this one. Okay, so let's proceed to the sweet potatoes. Let's go. See here, we have this pawpaw over here. This one. Yeah. Let's go. Guys, we are going to uproot the sweet potatoes. So what we normally do is we soften the soil and then we try to dig up the sweet potatoes. When it comes to harvesting sweet potatoes, we need to be as gentle as we can to avoid cutting them. See like this one? This. See? Yeah. So we have to be careful not to like damage. very big. So you have to dig. You have like to dig deep so that the sweet potatoes will come all of them. See this one here? See this one here? This one. And all this they stretch from all that side. Yeah, all this. So now we are done. We are going home. So this is what we need. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, let's go. So we are going there. So guys, this is what we have done. Then I'll go for other things. We have this, and I'll take the cassavas now. We have this cassavas. So after we are going like to clean them. Come show them this mess. Now simply we are putting this one to dry here. Once it's dry, we can cook or make like the flour, like the one you have seen for semolina, or making ugali, like this one, like this one, this. Yeah. So you're just trying like to dry. Yeah. So guys, here we are done. And over there, that's turkey. Yeah, that one, turkey. This one. And this one, the chicken. Turkey. Yeah. So what you are going to do, you are going like to clean the sweet potatoes, the arrowroot, and for cooking. Yeah. So. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions about Kenya or farming of the videos you'd like to watch, let me know in comment section. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like, and let me hear your thoughts in comment section. Thank you so much. Bye.
Shake it like you mean it, baby.